Just finished up the Mercedes. Let me show you guys a little bit of what we did. This one came in about a good month ago. We tinted the windows with the best window film that we carry here at D's Garage, which is going to be the ceramic film, 35%. The best heat protection that you can get. As you can see, it looks really nice. It's not too dark and not too light. It's just right. Also the back window. So this is a CLK 350. So it came in yesterday for stereo installation and a backup camera. So we did that little backup camera right there. I'll show you guys how the stereo system looks. We installed the Alpine stereo system, which is going to be that little guy right there. And that's our backup camera. That's our original stereo. So this is how it looks now. You know, we got the old one out of here and installed the brand new one with all the new latest technology, which is going to have the backup camera. Okay, it's going to have the nice new it's got the, as you can see, it's pretty loud. This one's got the built-in Apple CarPlay as well. It's got the USB, iPod, Sirius XM option, Bluetooth, camera, setup, and all that good stuff. So it's pretty nice. We put the little microphone right up here. That's for the customer to be able to talk to whoever he is on the phone with. And yeah, it's all good, ready to go. If you guys are interested in getting any audio installation, make sure to contact us here at D's Garage, located in the city of Corona, California. Peace. Make sure the AC and everything is working correctly. I think we should be good. Alright guys, so make sure to contact us. I'm going to plug in my phone right now so you guys can see how it looks. There it is, Apple CarPlay. Get all your features on here. You can see I don't answer my phone calls. About that, baby. Peace out, yo.